god, the goosebumps! Konnichiwa and welcome to the channel, guys. I'm yours truly, Millie. I'm a musician and a songwriter. My main instruments are vocals and bass. Today, as the title says, I'm reacting to Chainsaw Man ending 3, the third ending. So yes, I just watched the episodes, reacted to ending number 2, and now I'm reacting to the third ending. And I can't wait for this one. Oh my goodness. I tell you what, I'm in love with this anime and how much dedication and passion they put into everything. Episodes, fighting scenes, endings, different endings for each episode. This is just so amazing and so epic, and I can't wait for this one. So far, I've loved every single tune from openings to endings, and I can't wait for this one. I don't have a favorite one. I don't think I will have a favorite one. I'm just happily adding them to my playlist, and that's it. But for now, let's react to ending number 3. So, headphones on and let's crack on. Oh my gosh, more epic bass. Oh my. This is heavy, man. Oh my god, the goosebumps! This is mental! Makima! This is insane! Pochita! Man, this is just insane! That was just absolutely insane. That was the most progressive ending ever. Like, honestly, ever. Like, that had metal, growling, electronic, pop, just like a mix of everything. So absolutely epic. Oh my gosh. I think I have a favorite one, this one, when it comes to variety, but honestly I don't have a favorite song whatsoever. But this one, I tell you, this one was like the most unpredictable one, and I just loved it. And it started with an amazing epic bass line. As a bassist, I approve. Yeah. Chainsaw Man, the hype and the wait, the pain of having to wait a week to watch the next episode is just painful. Yeah. Oh well, guys, that's it for now. I had a blast today. I reacted to 2 episodes, 2 endings. I'm happy for now. I'm satisfied. I might go and rewatch the 3 episodes again and play these tunes on repeat. Why not, until next week? So for now, please don't forget to give this video the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for more videos like these. And also, guys, please don't forget to leave your recommendations and suggestions in the comment section box down below to what other animes would you like me to react to, and endings and openings as well. And also, if you like to watch the entire reactions to animated episodes with no cuts and no edits, I'm going to be uploading them to my Patreon, so make sure you follow me on Patreon. The link is in the description box down below, as well as the link to all my social media and Twitch channels. So follow me everywhere and don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sayonara. Bye bye. I love you all.